Hi guys, give us some to my vlog. Hi. Show her makeup. Let's show her. Give it L today to get ready. Jesus, please. You have to drape him up. Come on, Bethany. Give it L to get ready. Because how do I look? Like a cute girl, right? I look cute, don't? No. Anyways, we're going to hot set. You have it? You have a, no, you have your phone. We're going to party. I did better than shine makeup. Shine the over there. So. Look so. I'm gonna try to show them your makeup shine, but I gone too far. Here it is. By the one and only cake necessary. You make me come out here. I'm gonna do better than makeup too. Oh shit, me left a protein all this. So I'm not really sure the party we see you guys are because we're kind of late. This is like 3 o'clock and the party starts so long and we just leave out. So we reach at the party now. My lipstick gone. Eat it, I drink it off at least. I was drinking water, FYI, nothing else. Water. My makeup kinda survived, but the party just finished. You see, daylight, like it's morning, and we're not leave out yet. Morning. I guess we're leaving now because everybody's ready and everybody's in a car. Oh.
Got what? Grand school leader or good man?
Sure. So you guys are ready to
home. My leader, right?
It's like it's about to rain. On the sea. After party.
Over there.
Hey. What's your nose? Just kill me.
Watch it.
So we're home, guys. We're home, and everybody's dancing, as you can see. I'm tired, but I'm not tired. I can't explain it. Like, I want to sleep, but I don't want to sleep. Hey, babe.
Hey, what's up?
I'm supposed to want to sleep. You see me, Aiden? Oh, somebody saw me in the party today. I said, hi, are you a YouTuber? And I was like, yeah. So whoever you are, big up yourself.
Yeah, whenever you're the name.
Yeah.
But big up yourself, see, man. Thanks for the love and the support. And I got your phone back up.
So we just stay here. Our vibes. I'm on me up. See her there? She always do that. From we little bit, well, not little bit. From we start going parties till now, this lady sleeps when we're getting ready, and then by the time we're leaving out, she up, and then she go back to sleep, and then by the time we reach home, this is her. Yeah, now wake up to this. I tell you. So everybody's still dancing. And I'm still looking pretty, like my makeup stand, the test of time. Like, I was dripping sweat in the club. Like, it was so hot. Like, anybody who was there can testify to that. It was really hot. I think my clothes is still damp. Oh, check my fit out. I didn't show y'all. I don't remember where it is from. It is from a store in LA, but I think, I don't know. I really don't know. Yeah, my hair is from Eunice. It is their Waterwave Malaysian. Yeah.
Waterwave. A deep wave?
Waterwave, I think. And this is 5 bundles under closure. It don't look so righteous now, so don't judge and peep, but yeah, it's 5 bundles under closure. Watch mommy. Let me zoom in for her. How about you dying?
Oh yeah.
Our back tour is done, so I'll see you guys later.
Is that what you
said I'm King Kong. Yes, I'm King Kong.
It's a makeup last even when you drip sweat.
I told you. I make up last.
Sweat, a real sweat.
Heavy sweat. Bag of things that go on nightclub sweat. One up on bag of things sweat. Watch them. I'm still out there to them foolishness. What time is it now? The time is 6:50, yeah. And we just got in. Like, we just got in. And nobody know I got in bed yet. Can you imagine that? Well, Shanique not gonna bed. I think Shanique gonna pull out my Shanique here.
No, Shanique
Shanique out this is that. See that me that's a lie. Shanique out this a record. Oh, I need to record something for my Instagram. Can you continue? Start?
Yeah, so I just want to say on behalf of the Challa Endeavors team, I want to thank the patrons for coming out. Each and every one of them. Because without you, the party would not have been what it was. No, and what I want to say is it's just one party. One party.
Not two or three.
Not two or three, just one party. And that party is
Challa Party.
And you see next year,
you're
getting more than one party. You're getting
two, you're getting Challa Party, you're getting
beer and beer. And
make sure not beer man.
That will be considered as
Challa Weekend.
Get beer.
If we get a follow weekend, alright, we bring them on Challa Weekend. One vibe like to the cheating.
No, if it's a 90s baby, you know what I do the cheating is. Don't let that vibrate. Girls, you have to come. You have to come. So that means you just come and Challa Weekend.
And that's a pun. Girls, you have to come. Alright, man.
Yeah.
You get it, the vibration.
Yeah, Challa Endeavors, yeah.